Alright guys, so the next topic that we are going to discuss is US Space Force to set up military plant in India. So recent visit of Modi to US and this agreement has been signed. So the US Space Force will help India set up its first international security semiconductor fabrication plant. Okay. So this landmark agreement was signed during PM Modi's recent visit to US. Guys, this is going to be very important for the next prelims and it can be important for the mains also. But prelims, this one can be important when it comes to the science and technology topic. Okay. So let's get into this. Significance of the agreement, military partnership. So this, you understand the headings mostly. That is very important when it comes to international relation also, as an example of military partnership, as an example of economic partnership, as an different things we need to add, under different headings, right? So if you need to write the military partnership, so this is the example that you're going to write over there. So this marks a significant step in India-US defense cooperation. So different areas where we cooperate, this is one example which you need to write. Technology transfer, the US will share expertise in semiconductor manufacturing for military application. Now, what is the strategic importance? It enhances India's self-reliance in critical defense technologies. Now, scope of the project, the testing center, a state-of-the-art testing facility will be established. Design center, a center of excellence for chip design will be created. Fabrication units, 2 semiconductor fabrication units will be set up. Let's get into the details. So, applications of the manufactured chips, night vision devices, space sensors, missile seekers, drones. So if you look at each of these night vision devices, everything is self-explanatory. Enhanced visibility of military operations in low light condition. They carry this, mirror or the glass, and then it actually helps them to see things in the night, and the capacity will be enhanced through the different technology. So these chips will allow for superior night vision capabilities, improving situational awareness and increasing effectiveness during nighttime operation. Very critical for military and rescue forces, armed forces, etc. when they conduct any such operations. So space sensors, advanced sensors for satellite and space application. So these chips will be crucial for developing sophisticated sensors for use in satellites and other space-based platforms, contributing to India's ambitious space exploration program. And missile seekers, improved guidance system for precision strikes. The advanced chips will enable more accurate targeting and tackling of missiles, enhancing the precision and effectiveness of the strike. Drones, cutting-edge technology for unmanned aerial vehicles. The chips will play a key role in enhancing drone capabilities from navigation and surveillance to communication and data processing, contributing to India's growing drone industry also. Now, additional applications, if you look at fighter jets, radar jammers, electric vehicles, military communications. If you want to, you can just go through the PDF which I'll share, or I'll just read it out. Advanced avionics and control systems for combat aircraft. These chips will enable enhanced situational awareness, improved weapon accuracy, and increased availability, maneuverability, air-to-air combat. Electric vehicle efficient power management in military transport. The advanced semiconductors will optimize battery performance, extend the range, and provide faster charging capabilities for electric vehicles. Radar jammers, electronic warfare capabilities for defense system. These advanced chips will enable the development of sophisticated radar jamming technologies to disrupt enemy radar system and protect friendly forces from detection. So in all these, it will be applicable military communication, secure and advanced communication network. The chips will power secure and high bandwidth communication system, allowing for real-time data sharing and command and control operation in complex battlefield scenarios. Right. So US Space Force expertise, technical specifications, guidance on specific semiconductor requirements for the military application, manufacturing standards, sharing of US manufacturing standards and quality control processes. So we get the same standard, right, and the same quality control checkups. Equipment knowledge, information on specialized equipment used in semiconductor fabrication. So basically knowledge sharing. Impact on Make in India initiative, right? So in defense, local manufacturing. So what will it do? It boosts the production of defense equipments. Okay, it will contribute to GDP also. Cost reduction, since it is locally produced, we don't want to import, we don't want to pay extra to the importer. So the cost reduction, significant decrease in import cost for military semiconductors as it is produced here. Export potential, opportunity to export defense items to other countries. A potential location, Jewar, Uttar Pradesh. So due to multiple reasons, space availability, okay, and airport connectivity, and also it's a strategic location, well connected to major industrial and defense hubs. So current semiconductor import scenario, what are the major sources? Annual import bill, if you look at it, comes around 1 billion. Okay, so what are the major sources? Europe, US, other countries, China. Indian rupee equivalent over 8,200 crore. Dependency on imports. So high reliance on foreign suppliers for crucial components. But now with that quality, we can manufacture in India itself. So supply chain risk, vulnerability to disruptions in global supply chain. Cost implications, significant financial burden on the defense budget. Okay, so next is projected cost reduction. What could be the reduction? 50 to 60% reduction in semiconductor import cost is expected. So we were talking about 1 billion, it can come, even if it come close to half of it, that will be great, right? So multiple facilities, planned 2-3 semiconductor fabrication facilities in India. Increasing demand, growing needs due to India's defense modernization plan. So we need more. So of course, the expense will keep on increasing if we rely on the import. But if you try to create it yourself, it will promote your make in India. It will promote your local production and your GDP at the same time. You don't want to, import. Okay, so outflow of dollar can be prevented. Now, if you look at future defense budget implications, current budget moving towards 100 billion defense budget, very, one of the very strong area where you spend more because it's all about our security and safety. So domestic orders, increased orders for Indian companies in defense sector. Yeah, it keeps on increasing. So this will contribute more now. Semiconductor demand, exponential growth in the demand of, military grade semiconductors. Comparison with Russia's strategy. Russia's approach is aiming for self-reliance in semiconductor production by 2030. Current dependence, 90% of Russia's military semiconductors sourced from China. So India's strategy, collaboration with US for advanced semiconductor technology. So similar to Russia only. So we are also completely relying on import. Okay. So we want to be self-reliant or dependent or independent. Space and satellite applications. Now satellites technology, advanced chips for communication and Earth observation satellite. I told you the explorations are coming, the demand keep on increasing, so we need to do it ourselves. We cannot rely on others. Okay. Space exploration, semiconductors for space vehicles and exploration missions. Ground systems, enhanced chips for satellite ground control and data processing. Foundation for US-India defense relation. Technology transfer, sharing of advanced semiconductor manufacturing knowledge, joint development, collaborative efforts in creating cutting-edge defense technology, strategic partnership, strengthening bilateral ties in defense and technology sectors, which is again very important. All these things you can write in mains. Future development, there are ongoing negotiations, more agreement is expected in the coming years. These negotiations will likely focus on expanding the scope of partnership to include strategic areas like cybersecurity, artificial intelligence in defense. So more and more under discussions and negotiation, and it can be signed and agreed upon in future. Expanding cooperation in different field, collaboration in other high-tech defense areas. This includes the development of joint research and development projects, as well as the establishment of joint production facilities for advanced defense technologies. And global impact, India-US partnership influencing the global defense technology landscape. The partnership is expected to serve as model for other countries looking to enhance their own defense capabilities as well. So that actually shows the strengthening of partnership overall. So I hope that's the end of the topic. So whatever wanted to discuss, every area is covered, every points I have touched. Okay. So that's it guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.